Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to switch postpaid to prepaid in Geo. So this is going to be 2024 method. Make sure to give it a try. Now what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to visit the Geo website and provide your name along with the registered Geo postpaid number. This is very crucial first step that you need to be doing. After that, you are going to be clicking on generate OTP. That is going to be simply generated, and onto your phone click on validate and then choose I am interested in prepaid, and the option then click on port to Geo. Eventually this is going to be wrapping up the process because you need to simply fill in your delivery address for the SIM delivery, and after a couple of days your SIM will be delivered to you guys, and eventually it is going to be switched from postpaid to prepaid, and that is going to be taking some time. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If it does, consider subscribing to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. So stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.